Hey guys, the following video is brought to you by American Collectors Insurance. Stick around towards the end for some more information.
I'm David. We're here at the Spring Carlisle event on a beautiful Sunday morning. We're at our show booth in the infield of the Carlisle Fairgrounds. I'm with Showtime Auto Care, and we're the East Coast distributor for Griot's car care products. You're going to want to wash it up. You're going to want to have clean tires. You're going to have shiny paint, chrome, polished aluminum. Obviously, scrub and clean your tires, dress them up. Definitely use a good high quality car wash. It's pH balanced. I highly recommend claying at least once a year because you can get all the bonded contaminants off. It will give you the ability to make sure you're working on bare paint when you're polishing and you're not rubbing the dirt around into the paint. And then once you have it polished and your swirl marks are removed, you're not waxing or using a synthetic wax or sealant or spray ceramic over dirt. That gives you a good, nice base layer of protection to further go on with spray detailers, spray waxes, or even spray ceramics, depending on what you want to use. If you have clean glass, shiny paint, clean tires, and the car just looks all around nice and well kept, those are the important parts. A lot of towels do scratch. First thing to do is definitely stop using terry cloth on your paint and switch over to microfiber toweling. And yes, if it is an expensive towel, it will be an expensive towel, but it will also last a very long time for you. When you're working on your paint, you want to be conscious of not going in circles. You kind of want to go in a straight line, either away from you or back and forth. Get into the habit, if you're removing pollen or dust, or if you're at the car show, you kind of want to keep a clean edge and lift when you wipe across the surface with your detailer. That'll also help eliminate swirls because now you're not rubbing stuff into the paint. It was a great line from the movie, but definitely this is not wax on, wax off. Professional detailers get great results, and Griot's designs their product around to have the home user get the same results as a professional user. I'm using the same product in my professional details and through our detail shop as you would be using at home. We are Showtime Auto Care Accessories. We're at every Carlisle event. Please go to our Facebook page, Woody Garage Products, and also we have our website, woodygarage.com. And if you have any questions and want to get some answers from me, you can reach me on Twitter at DetailerDavid.
All right. Go to www.americancollectors.com to get your free quote today and see how much you can save. Thanks for watching.